Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix PayPal not showing credit card option. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, how do you actually fix this issue in PayPal? So in this case, to fix this issue, there are three things you need to remember here. So for the credit card option to appear on your account, you first have to guarantee that you have a PayPal business account. But typically, you just need to go ahead and visit the official website for PayPal. Go to the gear icon that you see at the top right of screen. And from here, you need to go to accounts. And usually you have the option to upgrade to a business account. In this case, go ahead and just click on it and complete all the steps for you to convert your personal account into a business account, because it is actually required for you to actually have a business account before proceeding on seeing the credit card option. Now, another thing they need to ensure here is your account is actually verified. In this case, make sure that all information added here are correct. Provide any IDs that you need here, like a driver's license or a passport. Now, another thing you need to do here is you need to make sure that your bank account is actually verified and linked properly. Now, typically when you go to your homepage here, you have the option to add a bank here. So if you have any problems on adding your bank here, make sure to reach out to your bank and see if any problems are needed, or if there are any problems that needs any addressing. Now, in this case, once you've done that, you should be able to now access or basically see the credit card option on PayPal. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.